Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mikkel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm going to talk about rise, like the phoenix bird. You should never be afraid to fail. Something good always comes out of failure. At first, I didn't realize that, but later on in life, I started to realize it. Like all through school, I was scared to fail a class. I mean, you should never want to fail a class, but I was so scared. I was like, I don't want to fail. I'm studying hard, but it's like at times I can't get it. And if I fail, my mother is going to fuss at me real bad, or I might get grounded. I'm going to admit, early on in school, I did not like school. I thought it was boring. And school is programming our minds. Yeah, I think school is like programming our minds so that we are lost, stay asleep, and don't wake up to this evil matrix that we live in. So I was never really into school a lot, but I knew, but in this society, I was like, in my early years, I'm like, I have to pass and get through it. So I studied hard, but I realized if I got a low grade in a class, if I failed the test or got a low grade in a class, later on I learned that I have to study hard. I thought and discovered a new study plan, a better study habit, and next semester of my classes, I put that study plan and study habit into action, and I did better. I made higher grades on my tests, and I made higher grades in my classes. Even though I failed, something good still came out of that failure, and it was that I learned my mistakes. I improved on it and did better the next time. See, a lot of you are afraid to fail, but if you fail, just get back up again. Analyze and search out all your mistakes and come up with a new and better plan. Once you apply your new strategy, I promise you, you're going to do better than what you did the last time. So, if you fail, something good is always going to come out of that failure, and keep getting back up. Just keep getting back up. Keep trying, and getting back up, and up. Never give up. Whatever your dream, goal, and desire is to be and accomplish something, just hold onto that dream and never give up. Keep rising until you reach that dream. I read one time about how a girl well, I should say, a young woman. She was trying to get in a nursing plan. She's trying to get in a nursing program, but she was making low grades. Her grades was not high enough. So she kept making low grades and failing and failing. I read a story about a young woman, and also I read a story about a young man. He's trying to get into medical school and be a doctor. And he kept failing over and over again. He had low grades, and his grades was not high. And he kept failing. Like I think he failed about 3 times, but he was determined to never give up. Him and the young woman, they're both determined not to give up, because it's hard being a nurse and a doctor. Those studies are very hard. You have to take science and math classes. Doctor and nurse, pre-med, all that stuff is hard studies. It don't come easy. It's not easy. I think they failed about 3 times. Yeah. With a young woman, she failed about 2 times. And a young man, he failed about 3 times. But they kept trying. They kept finding better study strategies. They started studying harder. They found better study habits and a strategy on learning. They worked better. And they went to help. They went to their professors. And they received help. So by receiving help from their professors and studying harder and a better study strategy, so eventually it worked out for them. Eventually it all worked out. And they started making higher grades, passing and doing so much better in their classes that the young woman was eventually accepted in her nursing program, and the young man was accepted in pre-med. So she became a nurse, and he became a doctor. So, like I say, I know you might fail at something. When you fail at something, you feel down at the moment. I know you feel down, upset, and feel bad about yourself and put yourself down, but don't do it. Don't feel bad about yourself or put yourself down, because, like I said, just analyze and search out all of your mistakes. When you correct those mistakes, I promise you, once you implement in your new, improved, and better strategies, once you do that, I promise you, the next time you're going to do so much better. So like I say again, don't be afraid to fail. Something good always comes out of failure. And remember, always, never give up. Don't stay down. Don't put yourself down, and don't stay down. Always rise up. Keep rising and rising and rising. Always rise up. Always rise. Like the phoenix bird. Always rise like the phoenix bird that is in you. I just want to come to you all with that encouraging and motivation message. Encouraging and motivational message. Again, I'm Mikkel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.